We're gonna come back out here. There's huge clouds down here. But it's pretty fucking crystal clear up top. That's definitely one hell of a heat signature. I'm gonna make this video quick because it's like 15 fucking below out here, but this shit I do for you guys. I want to see this thing too. I haven't seen it in days. You can see my breath. Look at that. You cut out all light. Look at that. It still emits its own light. Look at that. That's creepy. It's the branches in front of that big bitch. Damn, it's cold out here. Even the dog in the background's barking. You don't like it either. Well, there you go, everybody. Doesn't get any fucking clearer than that, does it? Wow, look at that. Send this one to Marshall Masters. Look at that. Check that out, buddy. That's awesome. That's what you call a Class A capture. Anyway, I'm gonna let my dog in now. The dog's going ape shit back here. Wow, that's amazing. Well, there you go, everybody. Peace out. I'm gonna go get warm now.